Hi, my name is Lexi. I'll be going over some Outlook calendar basics with everybody today. This over here is the calendar icon. We'll click on that. Let's see here. If we wanted to go over here and adjust, maybe change how a calendar looks, then we can go ahead and do that over here. We'll click on the calendar. Let's say it's the birthdays calendar. We can adjust the color, change it to a bright blue. Maybe a pink. And we'll go ahead and deselect it so that it's just showing a regular calendar right now. Let's see here. I also already went through and added the boss calendar. I'll go ahead and select that now. We've got this one, regular, and then the boss calendar. We'll undo that. We'll select birthday calendar to show all of those. Any birthdays that are already in your contact list are going to show up on the birthday calendar. We would go through and add it over here. Create new blank calendar. And that would have birthday one in it. The share calendar, for example, the boss calendar, we would click this. Go into permissions, add somebody to give permission to viewing the calendar for. This is already mine, so I already have it, so I'm not going to add it in there again, but we would type in their name. It would pop up as confirmed or unconfirmed. We would select add, OK, and then exit out of the box. How to share a calendar, like the boss's calendar, with somebody, like the boss. Let's see, to add something, we can add stuff from the internet. If we already had a link to something like a lunar calendar or the holidays calendar, we could add that to any of the ones that we have here. Over on the bottom left, like this one, my regular calendar account. We already have one that says United States holidays on it. Maybe this one isn't very accurate because I see, oh, there we go, Columbus Day. If you guys wanted to edit something, you would double click the calendar event. It'll pop up and then you can adjust whatever you need to. This one was in a read-only subfolder, which is why we can't change anything. Here we'll go ahead and take off birthdays and just work with the boss's calendar because I have a couple of things to add into it. Let's see, the first thing that we have to add in is a 9 a.m. appointment. We'll say that that's for Monday at 9 a.m. That is for Agnes Smith. Normally I would put in the phone number here, maybe the email, just make it easy. We'll say sales rep, small home. It's not all day, it's just going to be for a half hour right at the beginning of the day. The location could be set, but it's just a half-hour phone call, and it will start at 9 a.m. going until 9:30. Insert their name there. Please contact email just for awareness. Then my name, just the basic since it's not going out of the office. And then we'll go ahead and add the next one is a 10 a.m. with Peter Rollins. Now I just double clicked. This is where it's going to be at the day, so I just double clicked in there. Show the other way to do it on the next one. The location could be set, but it's just going to be over the phone. We'll unselect all day, change it to 10 a.m. It's going to be an hour-long phone call, so it's 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. That'll fall in nicely with a half-hour 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. meeting that he already has. Save and close. Now we can see that it's on there. Another way to do it is we'll set this for the next day. Let's set it for Wednesday to give a little bit of a space there. We'll put in new appointment for that day that's selected, the 23rd. This one is going to be with James Hansen. Again, inter-office memo, so I'm just setting these things. Location is going to be over the phone. It's going to start at 11 a.m. We don't know how long it's going to last for, so we'll put down just 1 hour. The next one, we'll go ahead and set that for Monday. Really load up Monday. This one is easy. Actually, this one is also with Mr. Hansen, so we're going to put this for a Friday lunch meeting so that they can figure out whatever they were talking about before. set this for noon. No location, but we would put that in if we had it. Last one to set up is Miss Karen Baxter, Assistant Vice President of Marketing, Western Region, to review. So let's go ahead and set that up for Tuesday. This is just a quick way to set those things in. I like to double click to bring up this bar. This is at 3 p.m. It's with the VP of Marketing. It'll probably go until 4 or 5. So we'll set it down for 5. So nothing can be booked in after it. So now we know how to edit events, add new events, show or hide, edit events, add new events, show or hide calendars, change these calendar settings and colors, add birthdays to your calendar, this one. Go into manage calendars, share or add from internet. You would already need to have a hyperlink ready to go. Open shared calendars, any that have been shared with you. And I believe that that is everything we had to cover.